Kind of neat they have a rudders down here in Mexico. All right, I will see you fellers in a little bit after we get back. Hey boys, we went and looked at a truck. We are buying a truck on Wednesday. Wednesday we're picking up the truck. So didn't want to film anything while I was there because, I mean, why? So just heading back to the gym now. Gonna have a good time. Everybody's driving slow as shit. Look at that Dodge Ram truck. Oh! Trash bag! Getting attacked by trash. Oh, it's that guy, isn't it? No more of that. I just wanted to get out of that traffic. Because that guy in the F-150 almost hit me. And, yeah, because I was making the left and the guy decided that he was going to pull out when I was pulling out and try to get up next to me. So, yeah, screw that. Safety. I can't see shit, guys. Damn, everybody is back there. Oh, my gas light came on. Oh, cool. Poppity noises. Pop. Let me just Y'all know if I didn't have a passenger. Look at that guy flying. I would just cruise right down the center right now. I'm trying to be a safe boy on my journeys. Nice. Hey, that guy rides a Harley. I'm willing to bet. He got the Harley beard. Black Rifle Coffee Company. Hey. So, funny story, guys. When I first bought this bike up here, I almost crashed it. First ride. Never rode a 600 in my life. And I'm going to show you where. Ah! 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 Alright, so you see where that tractor trailer's at, right there. So I was coming through here, and I was splitting lanes pretty heavily, and a CRV came over, and I had to take the wall. Okay? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like that spot. So I had to take the wall basically on the other end of that Jeep. It was like back there. But like, yeah. That was my first endeavor with a 600. And you know, I am not one to panic. Look, that guy just cut that guy off. I am not one to panic. I don't get scared. And I think I handled that situation pretty damn well, considering I put myself in that situation, and I was an idiot, but I saved it. God, the pops, I don't know if you guys can hear them, but like, they just sound so good. That sunlight is right in my eye, even with a tinted windshield. I'm gonna get over here. See, you got idiots on the left, idiots on the right. Everyone is an idiot. It's just one of those. Like, why is this guy sitting in the left? It's probably some mother. No, it's a dude. Look at that. Sick. All right. I don't know what y'all can hear, but like, oh, oh, it didn't do it. I think I'm in second. I was in fact in second. The pops are fucking hilarious. Alright. By the way, my front brake still kind of sucks ass. I think it's because there's a kink in the hose. I wonder if that's what it is. So like the pressure from like the hot and cold days is not being allowed to do, I don't know what it needs to do. What the hell is this guy doing? Was that a crackhead? Very muscular crackhead. But probably a crackhead nonetheless. That dude was like cracking it up. Alright, well, I'm gonna... What the hell? I'm gonna probably call it here. I don't know. See if y'all know where I'm at. In Mexico. Hint, hint, wink, wink. This is just a video game. None of this is real. The guy's got a lift gate on his F-150. Sir, just go. This is a lane. It's a whole lane. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. I'm gonna take this lane here. See, the fun part is you don't use any gas when you let off the gas. Now we're just gonna sit here. Oh, that's second. That is neutral. Hey. Back it up. Back it up. Oh man, 5 minutes. I don't even know why. I don't need to. Oof. I'm gonna have to cut that out because, like, that was a bad word. Look at those exhaust tips on that friggin' Passport. Alright, yeah, I'm done. You guys have fun. I must always crash here. And you gotta watch out for cars behind you because people like to use the crosswalk. That's Subaru! Damn. There we go. Popper neutral. It's probably a bad idea. Oh, nope. Didn't mean to do that. Even with the clutch in, popping it in first is not appropriate. Should not have done that. What the hell? Let's try not to do that again. If you're like casually cruising at like 30 miles an hour, don't push the clutch in and hit it in first. It was an accident. I went for second, but I always forget that, like, I'm backwards shifty boy. Up as first, down as sixth. Let that confuse some of y'all. There's a bike. All right. See you guys later.